In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Asana. This is a handy feature that allows you to manage your time efficiently and keep track of how long projects or specific tasks take. So let's dive right in and explore how you can start time tracking in Asana today. First, head over to the Asana homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll want to enter your email address in the login field. After inputting your email, go ahead and click continue. It's that easy. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you've got your password in, click on login and you'll land on your Asana homepage. Now that we're inside Asana, you'll spot your list of projects. Find the project you'd like to track time for and click on it to open the project page. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Customize button. This is where you start setting up time tracking fields to tailor the project to your needs. In the Customize menu, find and click on Fields. This section allows you to add new fields to your project. Look for an option to add new fields and click Add. Here you'll want to select the option that says Time Your Work. This action will insert two new columns into your project, one for the estimated time and another for the actual time spent. These columns allow you to input your estimated time for tasks right in the project view. It's helpful for planning how long you expect each task or subtask to take, ensuring you're staying within your expected schedule. But you also have the option to log the actual time spent too. To do this, locate the task you want to time and click on the stopwatch icon in the actual time column. This acts as a timer, recording the duration as you work, and it's perfect for keeping an accurate log of the time you've invested. It minimizes the guesswork and gives you real data to analyze later. By utilizing these features, adding estimated times, and using the timer, you gain valuable insights into your productivity. Over time, you'll likely notice patterns that help improve your scheduling and planning accuracy. That's it for our time tracking walkthrough in Asana. Implementing these simple steps will undoubtedly help you maintain an organized and efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!